Sometimes we are so eager to visit another city that we forget that not everything is worth seeing. So here are 5 tourist traps to avoid in LA. Know before you go! Number 1. Star tours. You go on a bus tour hoping to see some famous people in their houses, or at least something special. The truth is that they are so hidden you only really get to see the front gate, and not much more. Save your money and rent a car instead. 2. Rodeo Drive. We imagine ourselves there like Pretty Woman in the movie, but unless you are rich or don't mind to spend an insane amount of money there, it's not worth it. 3. Hollywood Walk of Fame. This is just a sidewalk full of dirty stars and surrounded by souvenir shops. Not really an amazing attraction to see, right? 4. Santa Monica Pier. This pier loses all of its charm because it's full of tourists from all around the world, and the shops and restaurants around it are very expensive, so don't waste your time there. 5. Venice Boardwalk. You come here looking for the beach, but you'll also find too many souvenir shops, a load of people offering you discounts and flyers, and, well, you'll find almost anything you weren't actually looking for. Did you know all of these tourist traps in LA? Comment below.